Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTIC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price had a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price closed yesterday, and now you look where the price is up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made some progress. In technical lingo, we would call this, a breakout happened today. But this does all lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at the $3.05 mark. So 305. Why is 305 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 305. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this area that the price is just broken out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, pulls back, bounces around, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set right here. You'd have another set down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, then from the overall perspective, you'd still have stair steps very clearly heading in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. You want to see the price making progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining quote unquote progress as 305. What about areas of resistance? As far as resistance levels, the sellers really didn't hide today. They made themselves pretty well known. They're sitting right up there at $3.39. You can see several times today the price tried to fight up through there, but just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be public enemy number one going into next week. No doubt about it, though. Very nice move today. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this volume or not next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.